The sewer system is something most homeowners don't think about until there's a problem. Toilets, sinks, showers, and bathtubs may stop draining altogether. Or worse, sewage backs up into these fixtures, creating an awful mess. For a homeowner, this is an incredibly helpless feeling. But if you pay attention to clues, you can recognize sewer problems early and deal with them before the worst occurs. For instance, if one drain in the house becomes clogged, it's probably a localized problem. But if several household drains are draining slowly, that's a strong sign that the clog might be in the main sewer itself. We even offer trenchless sewer replacement and relining services that won't destroy lawns, landscapes, sidewalks, or driveways. And our state-of-the-art professional tools allow us to show our customers every detail in their sewer line before digging. This allows us to provide our customers with as many options as possible in solving their specific sewer problem. Whatever trouble you're having with a sewer or drain, the Sewer Solutions experts are ready to help.